This might be your new favorite high protein pasta recipe, and there's one ingredient that gives it so much flavor that is key to the whole dish. So the first thing we are going to do is to get your pasta on the boil. And while that's boiling away, we're going to heat another pan with some olive oil in it and soften your onion. I'm using a red onion, I think it works best for this recipe. Soften that for a few more minutes, and then the key ingredient to this is dried fennel seeds. They just add this amazing warmth. It's a very unique flavour. You may not have had it before, or you may not have recognised it, but honestly, it is just so good. Then add in your mince. I'm using pork mince for this. You could use beef or chicken mince, it's totally up to you, and brown that. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once the mince is browned, we're going to add in stock, chicken or vegetable. It doesn't really need any booze. I think the flavour is already rich enough as it is, so we're not adding wine or anything to this. Add your can of chopped tomatoes, salt and pepper, and then for herbs and seasonings and spices and so forth, we're going to use some chili powder. You don't need a lot, it's really just for a tiny bit of background heat. Some paprika, not the smoked kind, mixed herbs. Add in 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, and the last thing you want to add in is a little pinch of nutmeg. You can get this either ground already or the whole nutmegs like that. And nutmegs, I don't even know what they're called. Is it a nutmeg? Who knows. Anyway, add that. Reduce the heat down to medium, simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens up, and then add that into your pasta. Make sure you mix it all through first. Again, don't just put your sauce on your pasta and then on the plate. Garnish with parsley. I always garnish pretty much everything with something green. It just is a simple hack to make everything look way more appealing. And then just plate it up. You can put a bit of cheese on it, parmesan if you want, and get stuck in. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching it here on my channel. If you haven't had a chance yet, if you're a new viewer, make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future high protein recipes. See ya!